Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have something really exciting for all you e-commerce enthusiasts out there. We're going to be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how it can revolutionize your dropshipping game. That's right, we're counting down the top 5 AI tools to make e-commerce dropshipping easy. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, these tools are designed to streamline your processes, boost your sales, and maximize your profits. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Mocker.ai. Mocker is a powerful tool that revolutionizes product showcasing. With its consistent results, automated system, and versatility, Mocker is a game changer for e-commerce stores, online businesses, and influencers. It provides an effortless way to present products in the most captivating and visually appealing manner. Whether you're looking to attract customers, boost sales, or captivate your audience, Mocker has the power to transform your product presentations and drive remarkable results. Its innovative approach sets you apart from the competition, making you offerings irresistible to potential buyers. Experience the extraordinary capabilities of Mocker and take your product showcasing to new heights. Number 2. Wisecut. Wisecut is an innovative cloud-based video editing solution that leverages the power of artificial intelligence, AI, and voice recognition technology. Designed for businesses, Wisecut offers a seamless platform to create and edit videos with ease. With Wisecut, the process of video editing becomes effortless. The AI-powered features automatically generate jump cuts, saving you time and effort in trimming and removing unnecessary content. Additionally, the software can add subtitles to your videos, enhancing accessibility and ensuring your message reaches a wider audience. Background music is another aspect that Wisecut excels in. By analyzing the content and tone of your video, the software intelligently suggests suitable background music options to enhance the overall quality and impact of your videos. Managing your content is a breeze with Wisecut's unified platform. All your video editing needs are centralized, allowing for seamless organization, retrieval, and collaboration. This ensures a streamlined workflow, enabling you to create and deliver professional quality videos efficiently. Long pauses or forgotten lines can be easily rectified with Wisecut. The AI and voice recognition technology helps smoothen out these imperfections, transforming potentially awkward moments into polished and engaging content. At number 3, we have Holler. Holler is a powerful survey tool that harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline the process of collecting and analyzing customer feedback. With Holler, gathering valuable insights into customer behaviors and preferences becomes effortless. The one-question survey feature of Holler allows users to efficiently gather feedback from customers. By presenting a single targeted question, users can quickly obtain valuable information that helps them understand customer sentiments, preferences, and needs. This streamlined approach ensures high response rates and minimizes customer effort, enhancing the overall user experience. What sets Holler apart is its AI-powered insights. The platform leverages advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze the survey data and extract meaningful patterns and trends. These data-driven insights provide users with actionable guidance and recommendations based on the collected feedback. Users can make informed decisions, optimize their strategies, and tailor their offerings to meet customer expectations effectively. Holler simplifies the process of collecting and analyzing customer feedback, enabling businesses to stay in tune with their audience. By leveraging AI, Holler empowers users to gain valuable insights that drive business growth, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance overall decision-making. Bringing us to number 4, Scrapwave. The Scrapwave is the expert artificial intelligence designed to uncover untapped winning products. Their meticulously developed AI system is equipped with advanced algorithms and extensive training to analyze vast amounts of data, including consumer trends, preferences, market dynamics, and emerging niches. By harnessing this knowledge, Scrapwave identifies hidden opportunities in the market, giving your business a competitive edge. With Scrapwave, you can save valuable time and resources by eliminating manual research and guesswork. Their AI-powered solution provides data-driven insights and analysis, enabling you to make informed decisions about product selection. By leveraging the power of AI, you can confidently identify products with the potential for significant success and profitability. Gain a competitive advantage and unlock new opportunities for your business with ScrapWave. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence and revolutionize your product selection process. Last but not least, number 5, Tweetify it. Take your Twitter game to the next level with this all-in-one solution designed to enhance your social media presence and engagement. With Tweetify it, you can streamline your social media efforts and optimize your Twitter strategy. From managing your tweets and followers to analyzing your performance and exploring trending topics, Tweetify, it provides the tools and insights you need to make the most of your Twitter presence. Engage with your audience more effectively, build meaningful connections, and amplify your social media impact. Whether you're an individual, a professional, or a business, Tweetify. It empowers you to navigate the Twitter landscape with ease and make every tweet count. Unlock the full potential of your social media engagement with Tweetify it and start making waves in the Twitterverse today. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 AI tools to make e-commerce dropshipping easy. These incredible technologies are changing the game for dropshippers everywhere, streamlining processes and boosting profits. So, what are you waiting for? If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section. We love hearing from our viewers and are always here to help you succeed in your e-commerce journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos